In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Lightroom performance, optimize catalog. If Lightroom has started to feel sluggish, slow to search, laggy when switching modules, or just not as snappy as it used to be, there's a built-in maintenance tool that can help. Lightroom Classic stores everything about your edits, keywords, and organization in a single database file called the catalog. Over time, as you import thousands of photos, make edits, and delete items, that database can become fragmented and less efficient. Optimizing your catalog tidies up that database so Lightroom can read and write information more quickly. Here's all you need to do. With Lightroom Classic open, go to the top menu, choose File, and click Optimize Catalog. That's it. Lightroom will pause normal activity and start the optimization process. You'll see a progress window, and you can keep an eye on it, but it's best to let it run without interruption. Depending on the size of your catalog and the speed of your drive, this can take anywhere from a minute or two to much longer for very large libraries. So pick a convenient time, maybe a break or the end of your editing session. It's also smart to wait until current imports or exports are finished, close background-heavy apps, and if you're on a laptop, plug into power so sleep or low battery doesn't pause the job. While it runs, Lightroom reorganizes and compacts the internal database, cleans up unused records, and rebuilds performance statistics. None of your photos or edits are changed. This is purely under-the-hood housekeeping that makes queries faster. After it finishes, you'll get a confirmation that the catalog was optimized. You can jump right back into your work, and you should notice snappier searches, quicker filtering, and smoother navigation between library and develop. Adobe recommends doing this regularly, and it's especially helpful after big bursts of activity, like importing a large shoot or completing a heavy round of edits. Making optimization a routine part of your workflow keeps the catalog healthy and prevents minor slowdowns from piling up. If you work on deadline, consider running it at predictable moments, after a major import, before a big culling session, or when you wrap a project, so performance stays consistent. That's the entire process. Open the File menu, choose Optimize Catalog, and let Lightroom do the rest. It's simple maintenance that delivers real speed benefits without changing how you edit. Give it a try after your next large session and enjoy a cleaner, faster catalog the next time you sit down to work.